Have you ever noticed how many petals a flower has, or how the leaves on a stem seem to grow in a specific pattern? Actually, these are some examples of the Fibonacci sequence, and the golden ratio can be found in the pattern of plants and others. Before we go to the example I choose, let's define the Fibonacci sequence first. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. These are 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. Also, and the golden ratio is that as you move further to the Fibonacci sequence, the ratio between consecutive numbers get closer and closer to the golden ratio of approximately 1.618. Back to the topic. So the example I choose is the leaves on the stem. We observe in this side there are 3 leaves, 1, 2, 3, and in this side 5 leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is considered an example of Fibonacci sequence. Another example. This kind of flower has only 1 petal, and this kind of another flower have 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio are thought to be example of the optimal design and the pattern in the nature. These mathematical concepts are around us. So take a moment to appreciate mathematics, as this is not just limited to numbers. Thank you.